the color pink. Like we're going to have to run around the house looking for something that matches the color pink. And at the end of it, our dad, he'll look at all the colors to see which one is right.
My name's Ted.
My name is Amber. My name is Aurora. I don't know what the color.
First color we're starting out with today
It's pink.
is pink. How do you spell pink?
P-I-N-K.
So, let the hunt begin.
Pink. It's a cup that I found.
This is a jacket color pink.
This is a dog who's pink. This is Minnie Mouse is pink.
The next color we are looking for is...
Purple.
And how do you spell purple?
P-U-R-L-P-L-E.
Is...
Purple.
And how do you spell purple?
P-U-R-P-L-E. Found a toy purple bow.
I found a toy pot. That's a pot, pan, whatever. Purple.
This is a sleigh to big fat purple. This is Davy's purple.
The next color of our hunt is...
Blue.
And how do you spell blue?
B-L-U-E.
Alright, let the hunt begin.
Found a blue-ish scooter. Not really.
I found a blue toy couch.
I found a tiny red truck is blue. I found a cookie spoon to cook stuff.
That's awful.
The next color in our hunt is...
Green.
How do you spell green?
G-R-E-E-N.
Let the hunt begin.
Greenish dump truck.
I found a monocle.
I found a greenish car. I found a keyboard bag. It's so weird. It's so
Next color in our hunt is...
yellow.
And how do you spell yellow?
Y-E-L-L-O-W.
Let the hunt begin.
Blanket and it's the color yellow.
I have a yellow ball.
I have a yellow school bus.
School bus.
It's yellow.
Yeah. Next color in our hunt is...
Orange.
And how do you spell that?
O-R-A-N-G-E.
Let the hunt begin.
Orange.
Oh, you did?
No, I did.
I found an orange.
I found crackles.
I found a block. I found a Minnie Mouse Sassy.
What's the next color? How do you spell red?
R-E-D.
R-E-D.
Let the hunt begin.
R-E-D.
What red item did we find?
I found
Legos.
a controller and it's red.
I found a box.
I found a potato. No. I don't.
Toy plates.
I found a red Legos.
All right.
Like,
Subscribe. See you later.